Uh-huh.
Straight back. How's it going to work?
Work is good. We've been busy. We're closing for about 10 to 14 days.
Okay.
For a kitchen remodel.
Gotcha.
So I will be in Chicago next month for a week and a half.
Pretty good.
So.
Good time to take that trip, huh?
Oh, absolutely. It's beautiful up there in September. So.
Okay,
Cool days, cool evenings.